Dear students, in the last class we have studied the problems to solve using the identities which you have studied in a standard, right? Like a revision exercise we did that problems. Today a new identity we will learn in this class. That is trinomial, square of a trinomial. If you do, what is the answer you will get? That is A plus B plus C. If you do the square of that number, A plus B plus C. Now there are three terms, trinomial, its whole square. If you do, what is the identity you will get? Okay, what is the formula we will get? Here in the earlier class we have used only two terms, a plus b whole square. You know what is the answer, a square plus 2ab plus b square. But now if you observe, there are three terms, a, b and c. If you do so, what is the expanded form? What is the product you will get? It is a plus b plus c into again a plus b plus c. Now what I will do, I will take a plus b as one single term because I know only the formula or the identity of the two terms, binomial, square of a binomial I know. I will use it to get the answer. So what I will do is, let a plus b is equal to, say, x or some number I will take. X you will get confused. T I will take. T. Okay. T I will take. Let a plus b is equal to t. Now what I will do? A plus b plus c whole square is how much? Now in place of a plus b, I will take t. A plus b as a t here plus c whole square. I will do now like this way. A plus b is t plus c, its whole square. Now it is a plus b form, you know that. What is the identity? A square, t square plus 2ab. The formula is 2ab. So 2 into a is t here, 2a, b is c here, into c. 2ab plus b square. What is b here in the problem? It is a c here. So it's a square. C square, because here a is t and b is a c here. B places c I have. Okay. Now it is a t square plus 2tc plus c square. Now I will substitute this t value as a plus b. So t is equal to, since now what I will do, in place of t I will write now t plus c square, right? So I will take this t and I will use a plus b plus c, it's a square. So wherever t is there, I will write a plus b now. Okay, now t square is there. So I will write t is nothing but a plus b there. It's a square plus 2 into t is there. What is the value of t? A plus b into c plus c square. So substituting t as a plus b in the answer, this answer I will get this one. Now it is equal to, now apply the formula again, a plus b whole square, you know it is a square plus 2ab plus b square as usual. Then write this one, it is 2c into a plus b plus c square. Or if you open the bracket, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2c into a. It is 2ca plus 2c into b. 2cb plus c square. I will arrange it for convenient way of remembering the identity. Or square number I will write, a square then one more square is there, b square, plus one more square is there, c square, plus now all the two terms together, 2ab plus 2cb plus 2ca, or I will write this as I will write C into B same as B into C. To remember the identity very easily, I will write it like this way, a square plus, so a plus b plus c, its whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2cb bc. C into B same as B into C. So I will write bc plus 2ca. So this is the new identity. You have to remember and solve some problems. So what is the answer I got? A plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square. All the three numbers terms square, whole square, because we are doing the square value. Then plus 2 AB, write properly, 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So you can remember by seeing the identity. So I will write once again and we'll solve some problems using this new identity. Okay. So what is the identity we got today? A plus B plus C. If there are three terms and if we do whole square, the expounded form, the product is A square plus B square. All the three numbers square. Then how to remember? Then 2. Like A plus B whole square, 2AB you will get. No, here also you will get 2 here. 2 terms now. Here all 1 terms. Now 2 terms. AB, then BC, then CA. So 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So we will use this new identity and solve some problems. Okay. So some example we will do now. Example 1. Example, write the expounded form, the product, it is one and the same, or find the value, expand it, find the product, it is one and the same. Write the expanded form of 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. What is the value of this? When you multiply, what is the product? What is the expanded form of this number? Trinomial. We will work out. Now, first, if any identity problem you are solving, first the suitable identity which is needed to use in the problem we have to write at the top, then write your problem below, substitute the values and use it and simplify it. So we have to use this identity. I will write it again. A plus B plus C, its whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Right? Now your problem, write down. Your problem is 3A plus 4B plus 5C, its whole square. Now what is your A here? In the problem A, but your problem, its value is 3A, and B value in the formula, your value is in the problem, it is 4B. In the same manner, the value of C is in the given problem, it is 5C. Okay. Now see the identity and same way write it, but you, instead of using A, B, C, you have to use 3A, 4B or 5C. Okay. Now first value is A square. So you have to write, don't write A square, you have to write 3A now. 3A whole square, then plus sign, next B square. Now B is in the given problem, the value place of B we have 4B, so 4B square it is. Then plus sign again, plus sign, then C square. In the problem, in place of C we have 5C. So write 5C, because there are two numbers, I am using the bracket, it is 5 and C together, square it is. Okay. So all the three square I wrote. Now these three terms plus 2 into A. What is A in the problem? It is 3A. Write 3A into B. What is your B? It is 4B. Plus again 2BC. 2 into, what is the value of B in the given problem? It is 4B. B place its value is 4B. So 4B into C. C is 5C. So 5C. 2BC plus 2CA. 2C value. In place of C, 5C into A. A value is 3A. If you know the identity and if you do this step correctly, exactly the correct answer, if you do substitute and if you simplify properly, you will get exact the needed correct answer. Now only simplification. So slowly we will do it one by one. 3A square. What is the meaning of 3A square? 3A square is nothing but 3A into 3A. 3 3s are 9. A into A square. Okay. 9A square plus 4B whole square. It is 4B into 4B. 4B into 4B is whole square is nothing but 4B into 4B. It is 16B square. So it is 16B square. In the same manner, 5C into 5C. 5 5s are 25. C into C, C square. Since all plus sign, there is no problem. Just you write plus sign, get answer. First numbers you will multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Now algebraic values, the variables will multiply A into B. AB, so it is 24 AB plus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 5 8s are 8 5s are 40, sorry 5 8 yes 5 8s are 40. B into C, BC plus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. C into A, CA. Now can we add any other simplifying step is there? They are all different terms, you cannot add, they are all unlike terms, you cannot add it. So keep as it is, we cannot further simplify. This is the last answer. So this is the expanded form of 3A plus 4B plus 5C whole square. Understood? We'll do one more example problem. If negative sign comes, how to solve the problem. Okay? So one more problem we'll do. Expand. Second example. Second example problem. Problem number example 2. Expand. Now with the negative number we will take 4A minus 2B minus 3C whole square. Now we will see, we should be carefully how to do because negative sign is there. since there is only one identity, there is no separate identity for A minus B minus C. If negative numbers are given, in the place of A, it is 4A, but in the place of B now, minus 2B you have to take. Okay, don't write B 2B, you have to take minus 2B in the identity, and C place we have to write 3C, minus 3C we have to write. Okay, now first I said always write the suitable identity to begin with. So this is the identity we have to use. So write again and again, it will remain your mind. You can remember it without by hearting. So write it and rate it, and say it while writing also. So A square plus B square plus C square 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So this is the identity. Below write your given problem. 4A minus 2B minus 3C, its whole square. Okay. Now in place of A, what I have? 4A. In place of B, I have minus 2B, minus 2B, minus 2B, and in place of C, I have minus 3C. So this is very important. Negative sign, if there is two separate formula for negative and positive numbers, no problem. We can use it like A plus B whole square. A and B only have to take, and one more identity we have A minus B whole square. So there we are not taking minus B value in the identity. B value will take and will substitute. But here only one identity is there for plus or minus whatever number A, B, C. So you have to take negative numbers, negative sign also you have to consider while in the identity. Now we will substitute the identity values in the given problem. First A square. A is how much? 4A, its square, plus B square. B is how much? It is minus 2B whole square plus C square. C square is minus, so use bracket because already plus sign is there. There should not be confused. Like this way, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB, 2 into A is 4A into B is minus 2B plus 2BC, B is minus 2B into C is minus 3C plus 2CA. C is how much? Minus 3C into A is 4A. I hope you understood this step, right? Proper sign you have to take. Same identity I have used in place A, B, C. Use these values. Now only simplification. Do carefully and correctly. 4A square, 4A into 4A. 4 4s are 16. A into A square. Okay. Minus 2B square. What you will get? Minus 2B square is nothing but minus 2B into minus 2B. Minus into minus in the product of algebra you have learned, or arithmetic, if they are same sign, the product is plus. 2 2s are 4, B into B, B square. So whichever number it is there, all square number is always you will get positive. So it is plus 4B square. In the same manner this also the product will get plus 3C square. 3 into 3, 9, C into C, C square. Right? Now here we have to multiply the numbers. Before multiplying C plus, here minus. Plus into minus is, if they are opposite sign, the product is always negative. Now multiply the number. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. A into B, AB. Here minus into minus. Minus into minus, plus, then again plus, so plus. Now multiply the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 BC. And last one is plus and one is minus. So minus will come 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. C into A, C A. As I said, they are all different terms. We cannot do any further simplification. Keep as it is. So this is the last answer. Only 2 steps. But be careful while writing the sign. Negative sign you have to take, and while multiplying you have to use the correct rule. Minus into minus, plus will come, plus into minus. If they have different sign in the product, it will come always minus. I hope you understood it little better now. We solved 2 problems. So you can take any number here at home. You can practice by taking different numbers in place of A, B, C and squaring using the identity for the practice. Okay. Now see the exercise. As you said, it is your textbook 4.5. So 4.5 only I will write. Now exercise 4.5. We will do the 4th one. Okay. 4th problem. There are totally exercise 4.5. There are totally 6 problem. In the 4th main problem, I will do the difficult one. You can do first, second, third, etc. Directly I will take now last one. If time permits, I will take 5th one. Last one I will do. Okay. 5th problem, expand. Fourth main is expand. Okay. In that one, 5th one. The 5th one. Sorry, 6th one. 1 by 4 A minus 1 by 2 B plus 1. It's a whole square. Now write the identity first. A plus B plus C, its whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Right? Now write your given problem. It is 1 by 4A minus 1 by 2B plus 1 its whole square. In place of A, we have 1 by 4A, and in place of B, it is minus half B, and in place of C, we have 1. Right? Now, A square. A square. How much I should write? What I should write? 1 by 4A, its whole square, plus B square minus 1 by 2 B whole square plus C square is 1 square plus 2AB. 2 into A is how much? 1 by 4A into B. B is a minus half B. 2AB, then 2BC. 2, what is B? It is minus half B into C. C is a 1 plus 2CA. C is 1 into A is a how much? 1 by 4A. So it is equal to, now 1 by 4, rough work, 1 by 4A. 1 by 4A, its square, if you do, it is 1 by 4A into 1 by 4A. Now A into A square, 1. Here 4 into 4, 16. So 1 by 16 A square. 1 by 16 a square. Minus into minus. I said all the square will come plus. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1 in the numerator. 1 minus half b square is minus half b into minus half b, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1 b into b, b square. 1 square is 1, so 1 only I have written. 2 into 2 is 4. So it is 1 by 4 b square. 1 square is 1 plus, we'll simplify this, 2 into 1, 2, or you can divide first, then we can multiply. Here 2 is in the numerator, 2 ones are, here 2 ones are. Here also 2 one time, it is divided by 2, so you can divide it this 2 one time. Here 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So what you will get, this is cancelled. In the numerator 1 into 1. Here should I write plus here? Here it is plus, here it is minus. Minus sign is there. So answer is not plus, answer is minus. 1 into 1, 1. A into B, AB. Denominator only 4 into 1, 4. Here again plus into minus. Minus. Then there is 1 into 1, 1 and b. There is denominator 1. If you write 1, it has 1 by 1 is 1 only, so I will write just 1b. Then plus here, it is also plus, plus here 1 into a, 1a, and denominator only 2. So this is the answer you will get. This is the answer. Understood? Children, the fraction you should be careful. One next type problem I will do. If you want fifth one, will you do? Shall we do fifth one? Because there is xy is there, all AB problem you did. Just I will do. You can get the answer if you try, but if some of you find it difficult, one problem I will do. One problem, last one problem. Fifth one we'll see, fourth main. It is xy is there, no? So we'll take 2x plus 5y minus 3z, its whole square. Okay, how much? Expand. Now write the identity. First, again and again, a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Now write your problem. It is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z. It's whole square. Now before solving, write a place what we have, minus 2x. Minus sign is important. B is equal to plus, plus we are not writing, 5y write down. And C place it is minus 3z. Right? Now a square. What is your a? Minus 2x whole square plus b square. B square is 5y whole square plus c square minus 3z whole square plus 2 into a is how much? Minus 2x into b is how much? 5y plus 2bc, 2bc, 5y, don't multiply here, you multiply here, 5y minus 3z, 2bc plus 2ca, 2 write down, c is minus 3z and a is minus 2x, minus 2x. Now if you do correctly this one, now no problem, we will do slowly. Minus into minus, if you do square plus, I won't write plus, 2x into 2x then. It is 2 2s are 4 x square plus 5y into 5y. 5 5s are 25 and y into y is y square plus minus 3 into minus 3 plus you will get, so plus I wrote 3 3s are 9 and z into z square. Now plus into minus, what is the answer? Yes, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, x into y, xy. Here plus, here minus. So different sign, minus, the product is minus. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Y into z, yz. Minus into minus, plus. So here plus, no problem. Same sign, always product is plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Z into x, zx. So this is the last answer. I hope whatever number is given, you can able to solve. Just try to remember a plus b plus c whole square is nothing but first number square a square, b square, c square. Then 2 you have to write 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Like that you have to remember, and that problems. 2 problems I did. The 4 more problems, fourth mind 1 2 3 4 homework. Okay, complete it. Thank you.